Hello, innovators. So for the first check-in that you're going to have using Google Hangout, and Laurel sent out the link for that, this is what we're going to be talking about. We're going to be talking about the problem that you identified. And I put on there a packet of materials that will help you throughout the course of the semester really clarify, plan, design, and implement your projects. This little packet here will kind of help guide the way. So I just want to give you a quick overview of this. And first part of your check-in is going to be letting us know that you've downloaded this, that you've read through it. And so this planning canvas is kind of the one-page overview of your project that you really need to kind of continue to work on, and you'll share out eventually with potential funders, or anytime you're giving a project pitch to other people or potential partners that are going to join your project. This is a way to capture that in one page. We're going to be focusing on what is the problem this first week. So we're going to ask you, did you look at these materials, and what is the problem that you're addressing? But as you can see, there's a variety of different questions that you're going to be addressing throughout the course of the semester. So become familiar with this planning canvas. And then also there are a few checklists that are going to help you out. And these are just tools to help you anytime you're starting the work on a different phase of the project. So when you're working on clarifying your problem, or what you're going to do about it, or when you run into a situation, this first phase is whenever you face kind of uncertainty and you're just starting out, is to stop and explore the situation and prepare yourself to address the challenge. So there's a couple checklist questions here that I really encourage you to work through as you're starting out on each phase of your project. Then once you've kind of gone through that process, then thinking about possibilities, generating different possibilities for, this could be the problems that you're wanting to solve or the way you're going to solve them. To go through divergent thinking, which means just generating a lot of different possibilities. And so these are questions that'll help you kind of think through that. And then convergent thinking, which is how do you select the best one? So again, a checklist of questions that'll help you and your team kind of identify these things, or if you're working alone, will help you and partners that you eventually work with to select the best ideas. So the steps are, first you're going to stop, you're going to prepare yourself, you're going to think through the possibilities, you're going to select a possibility, and then ultimately you need to do something about it. So how are you going to plan the actions you're going to take, and then how are you going to test them out? Again, some checklist questions that'll help you out. And then once you take action on something at any phase, and even if it doesn't work out, and I would say especially if it doesn't work out, using these questions to reflect on what worked well, what didn't work so well. This is an iterative process. You can continually go through these processes, and these questions are designed to help you at each step of the way kind of clarify your thinking and move you into a direction where you can actually have a project that makes a positive and lasting impact. So again, what you're doing for our first check-in, you're going to download this, you're going to look through these materials, and if you're with a team, all your teammates are going to do that. You're going to let us know you did that, and then you're going to really clearly in a minute or two tell us what your problem is, and we'll provide feedback about that. All right, looking forward to the first check-in.